Now, the term religious experience seems quite broad. The best definitions comes from the philosopher and psychologist William James. He defines a religious experience as the feelings, acts and experiences of individual men so far as they apprehend themselves to stand in relation to whatever they may consider the divine.
I see.
So it is effectively an experience where you are in the presence of the supernatural or the divine. This experience can come as a vision, as voices, or even just a feeling, but ultimately the experience will bring you closer to God. James went on to explain that there was in fact 4 characteristics of a religious experience. One was that the experience would be ineffable. It could not simply be explained or be put into words. Number 2 was that the experience would be noetic, meaning that one would receive knowledge from this experience that is otherwise not available through human experience. The third is that the experience would be transient, meaning it will be short-lived. It is a short experience. And finally, the experience would be passive. The person is not in control, but in fact, the experience would be completely controlled by a superior power or by God.
Right, that makes sense.